Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have created this simple red lip look. I hope you will enjoy this video, so let's get started. On my clean face I have applied this Cetphil moisturizer. Next, prepping my skin with MAC Fix Plus. This will add extra hydration. Then going with this MAC Strobe cream. Whenever I use this on my skin, my skin looks super glowy, and I left this using under my foundation. I am using these two foundation, MAC Studio Fix and L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Not using any matte foundation today. If you don't have pimple or any discoloration on your face, then you can use any foundation which will give a natural base. For me, I need a foundation which has medium to full coverage. Next, using this MAC Studio Fix concealer. It has a nice coverage and it's not gonna mattify my face as well. It blends nicely. For red lip, your skin should look healthy and nice. If you have any imperfection, then cover it up, else it will get highlighted. So using it around my eyes and around my mouth. Now going to powder my face slightly with this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to use the dark shade for contouring as well. Now next, I'm going to be doing my brows and using this Nykaa pencil. Keeping it very simple, as naturally got lot of hair due to this quarantine. Next, using this Hudabeauty New Nude palette and taking this brown shade to apply in my crease area. You can use any eyeshadow palette. Next, taking this shade and applying it all over my lid and blending it with the crease shade. This is the eyeshadow look. Next, taking this Maybelline Pushup mascara and applying it on my upper lashes. Now taking those two shades again and applying it in the lower lash line. I went out of focus for some seconds here. Next, using this same mascara in the lower lashes. Using that contour shade now, and today I'm not gonna be using any blush as I want the lip to pop out. Next, using this Wet n Wild highlighter as I want my face to look super glowy. So going with little overhanded. Next, lining and filling my lip with this Lakme lip pencil. And today I'm gonna be using MAC Ruby Bullet lipstick. You can choose any red lipstick or liquid lipstick. Now setting everything with MAC Fix Plus, and here is the final look. By the way, you can totally skip eyeshadow and you can use any kajal or eyeliner for this look. Tag me if you are recreating this look. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you soon in my next video. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, then hit the like button. Bye bye, stay safe and take care.